Domino's versus Pizza Hut, the ultimate pizza showdown. What's up, guys? It's your boy Keith Glass here, and today we're diving into the ultimate pizza showdown, Domino's versus Pizza Hut. Which one reigns supreme in the world of pizzas, crusts, flavors, and delivery? We're talking cheesy goodness, epic side dishes, and deals that'll make your head spin. Let's break it all down in this battle for the crown of pizza. Let us know in the comments. Which pizza place do you think is the best? Team Domino's or Team Pizza Hut? Drop your votes now and let the pizza wars begin. First up, we've got the pizza giant that delivers millions of pies around the world. Domino's. They've been in the game since 1960, and they're known for their crazy fast delivery and customizable pizzas. I'm talking pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, onions, you name it, they can probably throw it on a pizza. And let's talk about those Domino's deals, baby. They always got some crazy 2-for-1 specials, mix and match deals, and coupons that'll save you some serious cash. Because let's be real, we all love a good deal on pizza, right? One of the things that makes Domino's a fan favorite is their variety. They've got something for everyone, from classic pepperoni to more adventurous toppings like Philly cheesesteak and buffalo chicken. And let's not forget about their stuffed cheesy bread. That's a whole other level of deliciousness. They've also stepped up their game with their new chicken sandwiches. Crispy, juicy chicken on a toasted bun. It's the perfect side to your pizza feast. But what really sets Domino's apart is their online ordering system. It's super easy to use. You can customize your pizza exactly how you want it, and you can even track your order from the moment you click place order to the second it arrives at your door. Now let's talk about the pizza legend itself, Pizza Hut. They've been around even longer than Domino's, serving up pizzas since 1958. And they're known for their iconic red roof restaurants and their signature pan pizza. That Pizza Hut pan pizza, man, it's something special. That thick, buttery crust with its crispy edges, it's like a warm hug for your taste buds. And they've got all the classic toppings you could want, from pepperoni and sausage to mushrooms and olives. But Pizza Hut didn't stop there. They revolutionized the pizza game with their invention, the stuffed crust pizza. I mean, who doesn't love a pizza crust that's filled with gooey melted cheese? It's like a pizza and a cheese stick all in one. And of course, we can't forget about those iconic Pizza Hut breadsticks. They're the perfect side to any pizza order, and they're especially good when you dip them in that marinara sauce. Pizza Hut's also been stepping up their game with new menu items and limited time offers. They've introduced new crust flavors like garlic buttery blend and cheesy crust, and they've even experimented with plant-based toppings. And let's not forget about their value deals. Pizza Hut always has some kind of special going on, whether it's a 2-for-1 pizza deal or a family-sized meal that'll feed the whole crew. Alright, now it's time to put these pizzas to the test. We're talking a side-by-side comparison of Domino's and Pizza Hut, judging them on taste, crust, toppings, and of course, delivery speed. Get those taste buds ready because things are about to get cheesy. First up, Domino's. We're going with their classic hand-tossed crust because you can't go wrong with a classic, right? We're keeping it simple with pepperoni and extra cheese because sometimes less is more. And for the side, we're going with their cheesy breadsticks because who can resist those cheesy, garlicky goodness? The Domino's pizza arrives piping hot, fresh out of the oven. That smell alone is enough to make your mouth water. The crust is crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, and cooked to perfection. The pepperoni is nice and crispy with a little bit of spice, and the cheese, oh man, the cheese is melted to perfection, stretching all the way from the pizza to your mouth. And the best part is, Domino's delivery is lightning fast. Our pizza arrived in under 30 minutes, which is pretty impressive, especially when you're hungry and waiting for your pizza fix. Now let's see what Pizza Hut's got. We're going with their original pan pizza because you can't have a Pizza Hut showdown without it. We're sticking with pepperoni and extra cheese for a fair comparison. And for the side, we're going with their classic breadsticks because they're legendary for a reason. The Pizza Hut pizza arrives in their signature red box, and you can smell that buttery crust from a mile away. The pan pizza is a thing of beauty. That thick, buttery crust is crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and loaded with toppings. The pepperoni is nice and crispy, just like Domino's. The cheese is melted to perfection, forming a gooey, cheesy layer on top of the pizza. And that buttery crust, man, it's something special. It's got this slightly sweet flavor that complements the savory toppings perfectly. The breadsticks are just as good as we remember them. They're soft, buttery, and perfectly salted. and the marinara dipping sauce is the perfect blend of tangy and sweet. Now, for the moment of truth, the stuffed crust. We ordered a separate pizza just for this because we had to experience it in all its cheesy glory. After comparing their menu, taste, and business stats, both pizza giants are definitely top tier. Domino's wins on customization and speed, while Pizza Hut takes the crown for their legendary pan pizza and game-changing stuffed crust. Tell us who wins in your book. Are you Team Domino's or Team Pizza Hut? Drop a comment below and let us know which pizza joint reigns supreme in your world.